Hello, it's time of year for spooky season. It's Happy Halloween. Well, nearly. And I thought I'd just bring you David's kit. David has done a fantastic, well, a couple of kits. First one is the Halloween pages, which I'll show you now. And the second one is the ephemera, Halloween ephemera. And it's spectacular or spooktacular. Couldn't help that one. Okay, so here we go. Just show you through. All things bats and ghouls. That's Werewolf's Claw. So there are plainer sheets in here for backing, or you want some smaller pieces. These are actually from photographs taken at Whitby Abbey. So for those of you who are new, we used to live in North Yorkshire and not that far from Whitby, which is the home of Bram Stoker and all things Dracula. So these are images of the actual abbey. Look at this. I know this is plain, but I just think that's absolutely amazing. See, quite easily, you know, you can print that on the back so that you have got a full sheet. All sorts of layers in there. We've got Frankenstein there, stood by the abbey. Plain lace page. Lace layered up with font and some coffins on there. Actually, in the past when I've made a Halloween with it, Halloween journal, I've actually put a slit there. So you can, I'll show you when we come to the add-on kit. You can slip some little skulls and bits and bobs inside there. This is an actual view looking down a street in Whitby with the abbey. Very imposing it is, very dramatic. We've got some avocado dyed, upside down. There we have. Ooh, if you look carefully, we've got some hands, some zombies coming out of the forest. I've got these all upside down. There we have some skulls. And then we have 2 pages of words in there of different sizes so that you have got run, the monsters are coming. All Hallows Night. It's slivered across the floor. So there we have the pages kit. Just take you back through those. As I say, there's a good assortment in there. And some of these plain background pages can be used outside of Halloween season, I think. It's one of my favourites, that. I just love it. I just love the effect of it. You can see the eyes on there. Green background. The monster's claw. Fabulous. I love that with the skulls and the bats and the ravens. So there is quite a few pieces to that kit. It's very substantial. And then the add-on kit, our ephemera add-on. Large tags. You can actually, David's designed this so you can use it as a trifold if you like. If you want to make a trifold journal, or you just want to put a trifold tag set in, or you can cut them out individually. We have some tickets here. So a strip of tickets that you could put in your pockets. And again here, this is a sepia set of tickets. We have some more tags on here. So different sizes. It's done them with the black lines round, so you can actually cut them, the other side of the black lines, if you want to keep them as part of the effect, or if you cut within, then you don't have to use the black lines. Another set here. Again, we've got the zombies coming out. And quite easily they can be double backed, some of these as well, so that you've got a back and front to your tags. Then we have some journal cards. Love those. Different colour effects of the abbey. It's a ruinous abbey, it's not intact. Again with the lace and the script, and then the monsters on the front. And this goes nicely with the pages. There are pages with this script and the lace, if we remember from the main kit. Some larger tags there. I'm hoping you can see the images on here on camera. All layers of blood. There's plenty of scope with even the add-on kit. You could cut that in half and then do that as a bifold, and put some pages inside as a little notebook. Then we have some fussy cut pages, so that you can, and this is what I mean, even with this, what I've done before with this coffin is, again, I've backed that on card. I've got my craft knife and slit down the coffin, and then I've put some images inside it. So for example, on this page there's a skull, so I've slotted a skull in, there's a cross, I've slotted that in, so plenty of scope. There's your fussy cut pages, and then we have some more journaling cards. So that is your add-on kit. As you can see, I love the tickets. I love the tickets. Not that often you get kits with tickets actually included, so I really love those. All different colorations to give your journal that spooky feel. And I think because it has real images of Whitby Abbey, it's a very good atmospheric place to go at this time of year. And they do have a big goth festival at the pavilion there. And then we have our fussy cuts there. And a set of journal cards. Okay then, so they will be going in our Ko-fi shop. I'll sort a couple of pages out, probably a page of fussy cut and a page of words. We'll put that, I think, as a freebie, so that those 2 pages could go in as a freebie. But then the other 2 kits, the main Halloween pages kit and the add-on ephemera, will be in there as well if you'd like to purchase and support our little business. Okay, so there we have it, David's Halloween kit. Thanks so much for joining me. Take care.